Alright, so now we're going to go through a interactive exercise to solidify everything we've been talking about and allow you to use open interest in your trading. And by the way guys, if you've enjoyed this simple explanation on open interest thus far, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying this kind of content and motivates me to do more of these kind of videos. For example, the explainer video I did on funding rate was really well received. I got a lot of likes, a lot of subscribers, and it motivated me to do this video on open interest. So let's begin this interactive exercise with a summary of what exactly is open interest. When you think about it, open interest is nothing more than market participation. On its own, it doesn't really tell you anything about bullishness or bearishness. Remember, open interest is the total number of open, unsettled contracts between both buyers and sellers. So every contract has both sides of the trade to it. However, open interest can be used very effectively when you combine it with price, specifically price trend. So watching the price trend along with what's going on with open interest is essentially telling you what's going on with market participation in the direction of the trend. And that's the crux of it, guys. When you think about it, open interest is simply showing you the strength of the market participation. That's all. But without price trend, it's useless information. Now, to really drive the point through, let's go through an exercise. So let's begin with a simple example. Let's say we have price that's trending towards the upside. And then we have open interest that's also trending towards the upside. What does this tell us about the market? Well, it tells us that as price is increasing, we have increased market participation, right? So increased strength in market participation while price is moving towards the upside should give you confidence, increased confidence in the direction of the trend. So what this story is telling us is that as price is increasing, we are seeing more people eager at these prices. But remember though, there's both sides to every contract that is opening. For every long that is opening up, there's a short that's opening up as well. A lot of people are going to flat out say that, hey, this is bullish because longs are opening. No. Don't get caught in that mindset, guys. Longs and shorts are both opening. Every contract has both sides to the story. But what you can say is that, hey, because there's more participation over here, if price continues to go up, those shorts that did open are going to feel increased pressure, so they're going to have to close and hence turn into longs. That is a completely fair thesis. But if you see anyone saying that, hey, shorts are opening up because open interest is increasing, that doesn't make sense because a contract has both sides, right? But if you start seeing increased open interest in the direction of the trend, you can start thinking of, hey, those shorts will start feeling pressure. So the market is going to start strengthening towards the upside because price is moving against those shorts, right? So simply put, price up, open interest up means that trend is likely going to continue up. Okay, now let's go through another example. This time, we're going to have price actually declining, but open interest is still going up. So open interest is still up, but price this time declining. What does this tell us about the market? I'm going to give you guys a moment to quickly pause the video and just think about it. Good? Okay. Remember what we said. When open interest is increasing, it means that we have increased market participation, right? Which means we have increased participation in the direction of the trend. And at the moment, the trend is towards the downside. Now again, guys, I must emphasize, don't get into the mindset of saying, hey, shorts are opening up brand new positions. No. We have both sides of the trade being opened. However, longs are under pressure because the trend is down, right? So as price goes down and down and down, those longs are going to be forced to close out at lower prices. Hence, the buyers turn into sellers and thus pushing price even further down. So again, this time, open interest up, trend down means the trend is likely going to continue lower. Okay, so far we've gone through two examples where both times open interest has been increasing. And both times you may have noticed that all you have to do is simply look towards the direction of the trend and bet on that side, right? Open interest up and trend is down, trend is likely going to continue down. And over here, open interest up, trend up, price is likely going to keep trending towards the upside. So bet in the direction of the trend when open interest is up. Now let's talk about open interest going down and what we can decipher from it. And the truth is, guys, you can't really decipher all that much from open interest going down. Not on its own, even with the price trend, right? Because you want to think about it. Open interest is an indication of market participation, right? It's not an indication of shorts opening or longs opening. Often people are going to make the misconception saying that, hey, price is going up, like in this example over here, and open interest is going down. It means that longs are closing out their positions. You got to be careful. And yes, you could say that, but you could also say that shorts are closing out their position because there are two sides to every contract, right? So all that this is telling us, guys, is that at this price point, we have reduced market participation. Price is still there, but we have reduced market participation. We are going to need additional indicators, additional information to make a bearish conclusion or a bullish conclusion. This is where a volume indicator could be extremely helpful. Similarly over here, when price is going down and open interest is going down, people could be saying that, hey, longs are closing out their positioning. But that's simply not actionable information because the other side of the trade has also closed out their position. What makes open interest so interesting is that it tells us how many market participants are currently likely going to feel pressure as the trend goes up. Open interest going down on its own doesn't tell you anything. You're going to have to add another indicator to this. And here's the only cheat sheet you'll ever need. You see open interest go up, look towards the direction of the trend. You see open interest go down, look for more information. Now, for the purpose of this video, I wanted to focus only on open interest. But if you guys want me to continue the series and talk about other indicators you guys can use along with open interest, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have specific questions that you want to ask me, don't hesitate to reach out to me on our Discord. We have a strong family vibe in our community. I'm really proud of everyone in here. Everyone's looking to help each other, asking questions, answering questions. So don't be shy. Come on in and join the family. Also, if you are a beginner or intermediate trader looking to take your trading to the advanced professional level, then go ahead and check out the Mango Seed program. I've built this course over multiple years now. The curriculum is vast, so only if you are looking to get serious about your trading should you check out this program, because it is a massive time commitment. If you want to get away from the rat race, from the 9 to 5, then this is definitely something you want to consider. As you can see, there's a lot of content in here, but it will take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced. Many of our traders have quit their jobs and gone on to become professional prop firm traders as well. You also get access to the private seed channels as well in our Discord. And with that, guys, do the Mango way, do the easy way, do the stress-free way. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.